Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix Microsoft account sign-in problems. So if you can't actually sign into your account on Microsoft on your Windows device, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So first you need to actually open the start menu and search for services. So this app will appear, you need to click on it. And now from here you need to search for Windows Update. So you need to scroll all the way down until you find Windows Update. As you see from here, you need to right click on it and go to Properties. So make sure that this option is set to automatic and then you need to click on start. Now see from here it will start and now you need to click on apply and OK. After you do that you need to close this menu and open the start menu again. Search for registry editor. Hit on enter and hit on yes. So from here you need to expand the HKey local machine folder and after that you need to expand the software folder. So now you need to find Microsoft option and expand it, and you need to find Windows option from here. So find the Windows option and expand it and go to current version. And now from here you need to scroll down till you find the policies folder. I'll see from here. You need to expand it and now you will find the system folder. Click on it and you'll find all of these options. So now from here you need to find the enable LUALC. From here you need to just click on it and make sure that it's set to 1. So if it's set to any other option, just change it to 1 and hit on OK. And after that, now your issue will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.